So yeah, we're just getting a suitcase at Manchester Airport, and I'm going to show you how to get to the city centre by train. But what you need to do after arrivals is look for this symbol, and it's a short walk to the lifts and it'll take you up to the Skylink. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, so we just got off the elevators and we're heading up and walking along the Skylink to get to the station, and it's not far, but yeah, we're on our way to the station now. So yeah, let's go and get our train. So this is the train ticket vending machine here at Manchester International Airport, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to use the train ticket machine. So yeah, let's go. Quick buy tickets. And Manchester City Centre, one person, £5.40, and then I'll just pay. That easy. And always remember to stand on the right hand side of the escalators. This to allow people to walk down the left hand side of the escalators. It's just general etiquette. At the train station you can also use the metro link to get you to the city centre. However, there are two problems. One, it's less frequent than the national trains, and two, it takes about 45 minutes, whereas the national trains take only about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'd recommend not using the tram, but instead using the national trains. Yeah, we've just been at the Manchester Piccadilly, and yeah, it's been a really short journey, but really nice. And yeah, let's go and explore Manchester's views and landmarks. Let's go!